Did you know that over 1,300 people are killed and more than 116,800 people are injured in vehicle crashes on snowy, slushy, or icy pavement annually? The right SUV can dramatically decrease your risk. In today's rundown, we're venturing into the world of the 7 top SUV models that laugh in the face of snow and ice. Brace yourself as we go through this list together. 7. Subaru Outback. As winter descends, the challenges on the road multiply. The Subaru Outback emerges as a beacon of hope amid the frosty turmoil. When the snow blankets the earth and ice makes the roads a slippery playground, the Subaru Outback doesn't flinch. Its renowned all-wheel drive system is a wizard in the snow, spreading its magic across all 4 wheels, ensuring a firm grip even on the iciest of paths. The symmetrical design of its AWD isn't a mere show of aesthetics. It's a well-thought engineering marvel that disperses power evenly, promising stability when you traverse through the snowy wilderness. Now, meet the Outback Wilderness Trim, a knight in shining armor, designed to tackle the rough and tumble of winter roads. With larger wheel arches, it's as if it wears snow boots, ready to stamp through the white fluff. The cladding isn't merely a style statement, it's a robust shield against the harsh elements. When you venture into the snow with the Outback Wilderness, you command respect from winter. Subaru's X mode in Snow Dirt isn't just a mode, it's your trustworthy companion, reacting swiftly to the changing whims of snow and ice. It's a vigilant guardian, applying power and traction precisely where needed, ensuring that you remain in control, no matter how playful the snow gets. The suspension isn't just a part of the car, it's the legs on which it stands tall, providing 241 mm or 9.5 of ground clearance. It's a gentle giant that treads softly over rough terrain, making sure nothing hinders your journey. 6. Volvo XC90. The tale of winter driving takes a luxurious turn with the Volvo XC90. The Swede's finest doesn't merely confront the winter, it embraces it, making every snow-covered mile a journey of comfort and assurance. As the snowflakes descend from the heavens, the XC90 stands ready, its strong frame a reflection of the rugged beauty of Scandinavia, designed not just to withstand, but to thrive in the wintry dance. The tale unfolds on the road, where the XC90's all-wheel drive system springs into action, a vigilant sentry ensuring each wheel receives its share of power, maintaining grace on the icy stage. The SPA platform isn't just a set of letters, it's a fortress of strength and safety encasing you, a promise of protection when the snowstorm sings its eerie song. As you nestle in the embrace of the heated seats, a touch of warmth in the cold realm, the outside world may swirl in a snowy frenzy, yet you remain in a cocoon of comfort. The heated steering wheel isn't just a wheel, it's a warm handshake amidst the cold, a companion as you navigate through the frost. Now glance outside, and the world appears a canvas of white, yet your vision remains clear thanks to the windshield wiper de-icer, a vigilant keeper of clarity amidst the winter haze. The XC90 doesn't just carry you through the snow, it makes a journey through the wintry realm a tale of luxury and safety. And as the snow under the standard recharged tires crunches, telling tales of the cold, you move forward. The XC90 is not just a vehicle, it's a haven, a slice of serenity amidst the wild, white wonder. Each feature, each detail, isn't just a part of the car, it's a chapter in the story of conquering winter with elegance. 5. Jeep Grand Cherokee. As we traverse down the list, we stumble upon the rugged charm of the Jeep Grand Cherokee. A name that echoes through the trails of adventure, the Grand Cherokee is no stranger to the whims of winter. With a heart beating in rhythm with the wild, this SUV stands as a guardian against the wrath of snowy days. The tale of the Grand Cherokee in winter is one of defiance against the frosty roars, a saga where every snowflake tells of the SUV's enduring spirit. The Select Terrain system isn't merely a feature, it's a wizard, conjuring the right spell with its snow mode to tame the icy paths that lay ahead. The 4-wheel drive system is not just a mechanism, it's the muscle, flexing its prowess against the snowy cloak that veils the roads. And within this rugged charioteer, comfort finds a cozy corner. The heated seats beckon, offering a warm embrace as the world outside shivers. The heated steering wheel, a gentle friend, offering its warm grasp as you steer through the snow-laden tails. 4. Toyota 4Runner. As we edge closer to our top pick, we now encounter the robust and reliable Toyota 4Runner. This model stands tall with a four-wheel drive system. Now let's dive deeper into its features. The 4Runner has enhanced its safety provisions for 2022, making it a trusty choice for those who are safety conscious. The new LED high beams are a notable addition, providing better visibility during those long, snowy nights. The beams pierce through the thick snowflakes, making the path ahead clear and less daunting. Ground clearance is another strong suit of the 4Runner, allowing it to glide over uneven, snowy terrains with ease. You wouldn't feel the jagged, icy rocks underneath as much, thanks to the well-designed suspension system that absorbs the brunt of the rough trails. But it's not just about what's outside, comfort is also catered to. The heated front seats are a comforting embrace in the cold, providing that much-needed warmth as you traverse through the snow-laden paths. The new 2023 model has introduced a TRD Sport trim, adding to its lineup of trail-ready models. This addition ensures a smooth ride on the tarmac while still holding its own on snowy trails. Moreover, the 4Runner extends its visibility assurance with new LED fog lamps, ensuring that you're not caught unawares when the fog descends alongside snow, a common scenario in winter months. 3. Audi Q5. Moving on, we transition into a realm of luxury blended with winter resilience, embodied by the Audi Q5. This luxury SUV doesn't just drive through snowy paths. It glides with a finesse that makes each snowflake seem like a part of its grand design. The Quattro all-wheel drive system isn't a feature. It's a statement, affirming its dominance over slippery, treacherous terrains. The moment you step into the Audi Q5, the chill of winter seems like a distant tale. The heated front seats and steering wheel are not mere comforts. They are warm invitations, urging you to explore the snow-clad wonders without a shiver down your spine. Power doesn't take a back seat as the 2.0L four-cylinder engine roars to life, churning out 261 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. It's an assurance that beneath the elegant exterior lies a heart willing to brave the icy winds and snowy trails. The Audi Q5 doesn't just stop at ensuring your comfort, it extends its warmth to the road, ensuring every turn is precise, every move is stable. The advanced safety features, including traction and stability control, are vigilant sentinels, ensuring your journey through the snow is as secure as it is enjoyable. 2. Ford Explorer. As our list nears its climax, we introduce a family companion, the Ford Explorer. This SUV isn't about extravagance. It's about being a reliable partner when the snow piles up. With its available intelligent four-wheel drive system, the Explorer doesn't shy away from snowy challenges. It faces them head-on, keeping you and your loved ones secure. The terrain management system is like the brain of the Explorer, adapting to the snow-covered roads with a finesse that's reassuring. Offering up to 7 drive modes, including a snow mode, it's like having a seasoned guide leading you through the icy wilderness. At the heart of the Ford Explorer is the choice of engines. Whether it's the 2.3L EcoBoost 4-cylinder, the 3.0L EcoBoost V6 engine, or the hybrid powertrain, there's a rhythm to its drive, a sort of melody that syncs with the rustle of snow under its tires. Heated front seats and a heated steering wheel aren't just about comfort. They are silent assurances that no matter how cold it gets outside, the warmth of your home travels with you. As the snowflakes dance around, the Explorer plows through, creating a path of safety amidst a landscape of uncertainty. 1. Range Rover Sport. As we crown our list, the Range Rover Sport makes its grand entrance. Winter, with its snow and icy roads, often presents a formidable foe, but this luxury SUV greets it with a suave handshake, ready to navigate through the frosty journey. The sophistication of its all-wheel drive system is like a seasoned ballet dancer gliding gracefully across a stage of snow, showcasing a performance of agility and control. With its Terrain Response 2 system, the Range Rover Sport reads the snow-covered terrain like an open book, making every twist and turn seem like a well-rehearsed dance. The heated front and rear seats, along with a heated steering wheel, wrap you in a cozy embrace, warding off the winter chill. And as snowflakes threaten to blur your vision, the windshield wiper de-icer ensures clarity, showcasing the winter wonderland that unfolds before you. Under the hood, the engine roars with a gentle might, ready to unleash up to 575 horsepower and 516 lb-ft of torque. Now that we've blazed through the snow with these remarkable SUVs, it's your turn to choose your winter companion. Which one would you trust to guard you against winter's wrath?